Hello, Halford. Yes, one of my cats of the day. And here's Mr. Gray. Here's Faith today. Good Faith. And here's Addie. Yes, good Addie. Uh-huh. Good Addie. Yes, good Mr. Gray. Good Winchester. Uh-huh. Okay, see if I can see anybody else around here. Let's see. Oh, here goes Peter around the corner. Yeah, there goes Peter. And well, I saw Tammy and Tigress earlier. They must be hiding. And then Jasmine let me pet her again today. And Hank stayed in one spot and let me kind of talk to him. God bless everyone and have a wonderful day.